Welcome to Prescott, Arizona, home to the stunning and unique Granite Dells. The Granite Dells are a geological wonder with towering rock formations that have been shaped by wind and water over millions of years. The Granite Dells are also home to some of the most spectacular hiking trails in the Southwest. From easy nature walks to challenging climbs, the Granite Dells offers something for hikers of all levels. One of the most popular trails in the Granite Dells is the Peavine Trail, which follows an old railway bed and offers stunning views of the surrounding mountains and the rock formations. The Watson Lake Trail is another popular destination for hikers in the Granite Dells. The trail winds around the waters of Watson Lake and offers breathtaking views of the surrounding rocks. For a more challenging hike, the Granite Dells Loop Trail offers a 4.3-mile loop that takes you through the heart of the Granite Dells and Watson Lake Park. The trail offers incredible views of the unique rocks and a chance to see local wildlife like deer and javelina. The Peavine to Iron King Trail is another popular hike in the Granite Dells. The trail takes you through more rock formations and then to open high desert as well. Finally, the Willow Lake Trail is a must-see destination for hikers in the Dells. The trail winds through rock formations and offers views of nearby Willow Lake, as well as the stunning rocks that make the Granite Dells so unique. The Dells are a true gem of the Southwest, and the hiking trails here offer a chance to immerse yourself in the natural beauty of this stunning landscape. Come explore the Dells and discover the magic of hiking in Prescott, Arizona.